begin to prepare to do our own bodywork session. This is a 5-minute polarity session on self. Begin just setting your intention, maybe doing an affirmation to yourself. I call forth the most divine crystalline light and ask that I be surrounded and protected, asking that I receive all that I require through this work this day for my highest good. Call forth my highest evolutionary guidance, and so it is. Now begin to take your fingertips, bending slightly, hook your fingertips underneath the occipital ridge, and a nice gentle stretch forward, releasing the cerebral spinal fluid that pools in the brain, allowing it to flow down the spine. And now take one hand and put it on the opposite side of that occipital bone. Nice gentle side stretch and change sides. So opening up the spine. And crossing your legs. You can put a pillow underneath your legs. Make sure you're comfortable. If it's not comfortable, it doesn't work well. And now we're finding the V in the ribs, pressing your fingertips underneath the rib cage, leaning forward with a nice breath. A breath in, and then ha. Take your right hand, put it on your left foot. Right hand to the abdomen and left hand on the heart. You're doing the water pathway on yourself. This is the water tridosha, activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Taking your fingertips and massaging them. Just imagine your fingertips going right into the bones of your head. Nice little gentle circular motion. Just releasing all the tension of your head. Now clasping your hands, and with the heels of your hands, you're squeezing the back of your neck, releasing all neck tension. Now take your hand to the opposite shoulder, the trapezius, give it a nice squeeze and brush the energy off of your shoulders. So letting go of anything you're carrying around. Right hand to the thigh, your left hand to the abdomen, just below your rib cage. And then leaving your right hand below your left hand on your forehead. This is the fire tridosha. You're balancing the element of fire in your body. That's your passion. You're sitting with your hand on opposite ankles. This is a bipolar current. It is the element of water. Allowing all the energies to harmonize. Taking your thumbs and pressing under the jawbone, moving from the center out to the edge. At least 4 points on each side. This reflexes to the perineum where we hold all of our old traumas. And now taking your finger and your thumb and just contacting each joint, your ankle joints, knee joints, hip joints, your elbow joints, your shoulder joints, the TMJ with 2-finger contact, and then to the temples, the sphenoid joint. This is the element of ether, it is space. Right hand on one hip, left hand on the other shoulder. Nice gentle stretch that opens up the cross current of fire. It also traces the front star. Cross your hands onto the thighs, and that is the element of fire. Great job. Now close with a nice closing affirmation. I ask that I continue to be surrounded in divine light, continuing to fill with the etheric colors, the nutrients, the harmonics, and gels for my highest good. I thank my light and guidance, and so it is.